Welcome to Math Solutions. In this video, we will go over the power rule. For our first example, we have to take the derivative of 3x to the fifth power. This will require us to use the power rule, which is shown above. To explain the rule, when solving for the derivative, separate the constant from x to the nth power. Then, duplicate the value of the exponent into the denominator, keeping x to the nth power as the numerator. A value of 1 is then added to both the denominator and the exponent. The constant value a can be multiplied back into the main fraction. To finish, a constant, represented by c, is added to the whole derivative. Now, let's return to our example, and start to solve it by separating 3 from x to the fifth power. Now, let's carry the exponent's value of 5 down to the denominator and add a value of 1 to both the denominator and exponent. Finally, we can multiply the 3 back into the fraction and add our constant. Now, we have our derivative. For our next example, we have to find the derivative of negative x to the fourth power. Our first step is to separate the constant from x to the fourth power. Since there isn't a constant visible, that means that we have an invisible negative 1 responsible for making x to the fourth power negative, so display negative 1 when separating. Next, we need to carry over the exponent of 4 into the denominator and add a value of 1 to the denominator and exponent. Finally, multiply negative 1 back into the equation and add the constant. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out my Patreon at patreon.com/mathsolutionsx.